Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, I am Himani and welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup 101. And in today's episode, I'm going to be talking about something that is the trickiest part of makeup, which is our eye makeup. So I'll be showing you all the do's on the right eye and the don'ts on the left eye. So the first and the foremost mistake that a lot of us make is that we do not conceal our eyelids. Like your face needs to be primed, your eyelids need to be primed too. So you can either use a concealer or an eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to be using my concealer on the right eyelid and not on the left eyelid. Blend it well using a blender or a brush. Now don't forget to set it using a loose powder. So the next mistake that you're probably making is that you're starting off with a very dark eyeshadow. Instead, use a lighter eyeshadow as a transition shade and then build it up. Also, do not use a flat brush as it will not blend your eyeshadow well. Use a fluffy brush instead. So as you can see, this side of the eyeshadow is not well blended. Now I'll show you the right side. Next up is glitter eyeshadow. Now if you try and apply glitter eyeshadow using a brush, the pigmentation might not turn out that great and you might also have a lot of fallout. But rather if you use your finger, it'll give you better results. So now for your lower lash line, do not use a very fluffy brush. Rather use a brush with more dense bristles so the eyeshadow doesn't go all over the place. Now coming to the scariest part of eye makeup, which is the winged eyeliner. So you're supposed to create this wing eyeliner keeping the corner of your eyebrow as the guide. So it has to go in this angle and make sure that it is thin on the inner corner and then gradually make it thicker. So if you can see on the left eye, the eyeliner is thick all over and on the right eye, it's thin on the inner corner and that's how you're supposed to do it. Now next is mascara, which can get a little tricky because applying a lot of it and in the wrong manner can make your eyelashes really clumpy, which do not look nice at all. Start at the root and move your wand in a zigzag motion. This is going to separate the hair and give you volume. Now pull your wand upwards and this is going to give you length. So I hope you guys liked this video and it was helpful. Also, I hope these tips are going to help you make your eyeshadow game so much better. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, because you love POPxo and our content so much, we got a surprise for you. What if I told you you could get your hands on some amazing beauty products and all you have to do is sign up for the MyGlamXo Insider program and get ₹150 off MyGlam products. The link is in the description box below, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.